Some persons who are detained are actually released on what we call a meldplicht, which is an arrangement that they have to report into the immigration department on a set period of time to be able to have discussions about their status. Some persons are given the opportunity to regulate their situation because perhaps they've established a family here. And the list of scenarios are continuous. We have persons, though, that we would just tell us that, yeah, they've just been living here. They find odd jobs where they can, and they had no intentions on applying for residency. So those are the persons that we have an interest in getting not to be on the island because they're not contributing positively to our society. Let's just be real and frank about it. There are persons here as well who are living on the island for many years, working for companies for many years, and they will tell you in tears the companies refuse to file for them. This is wrong. This is abuse. And I think that too often the criticism that comes with these types of controls overlooks the persons who are treated unfairly. I'll be nice. Unfairly. And we have to tackle that. We have to address it because it's unfair to them. You have persons who are receiving pay slips. And I might be going way off of what you even asked me, but I'm going to take the opportunity to be able to be as open and direct about what we are encountering. There are persons who are receiving job letters and pay slips and coming to apply, and we say, but by rights and by law, you should have your employer apply for you. They would cry and say, yes, I've asked my employer for years. They're underpaid because it's abuse. The employers are refusing because they believe there are no consequences, and that must change. The issue that we have on St. Martin is lack of compliance. And this government is ensuring that we enforce the laws that are established. This is not my laws. These are not the Minister of VSA being over labor laws. These laws exist. Minister of Finance in terms of tax compliance, then the list goes on.